What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the day trading series, back on Monday for episode 106, coming off the back of a really nice week. That'll be at the end of the video if you guys want to see it. And honestly, it was pretty tough. I mean, we had a lot of data, we had a lot of earnings digestion, so moves were a bit sparse, especially in the beginning of the week. But yeah, guys, this week we have CPI on Thursday, which is obviously very important. Before we get into it, if you guys are new, hit the sub button. Let's get on the road to 10K. You guys are showing so much love on the videos, so hit the like button too. Let's get this video to 100 likes. We could definitely do it. Now let's get into the trades, baby. And we are open. So main watches here is actually just going to be Tesla and Netflix. I actually did notice this morning. Netflix has a really weird gap in price, so that we have to watch out for. And then also Tesla. If I bring you guys to the weekly chart, this is interesting, right? This is the first week in about a month where it hasn't expanded its range after the bear flag. So is this the move that we're going to get? We're going to get a little retest of this and then finally a move down through 200. Let's see. And Tesla dumped. Tesla with the Humpty Dumpty. Holy shit, dude, Tesla, are you kidding me? What the heck is going on, guys? Gotta love the 200s now. New 5-minute just opened up. I'm gonna take a put here, looking for Tesla to break through this low. Looking for Tesla just to keep hammering down here. It's basically a flag break. Here we go, beautiful. Try and join the ask on 3. Out there. Wouldn't have got in until I saw that fire-looking candle. Okay, this is bouncing up a little bit. I'm gonna get out. All right, nice $115 there. Pretty good. Is SPY trying to provide a trade and make new lows and go red on the day? New 5-minute just opened up. It's gonna get a little bit of a bounce. If we can find that rollover, that'd be pretty good. All right, we're in there. Anticipating the candle under candle break. Oh my God. We're gonna hold if it stays under the 9. It's a nice candle if it could reverse. Here we go. Oh, here we go. It's setting up a big break. Here we go. Joining the ask on 2. What a freaking breakdown, bro. Wow, look at that candle, guys. Selling 1, got 2 left. 1 more. What a breakdown. All right, that's it for me. Beauty. Hey, we made an extra $100 on that, so up to 221 in the day. Not so bad. Okay, BA, you're gonna do this or what? We got 7 minutes till 10. Let's get above here by 10 and then set up a nice little expansion move from 10 to 11. How's that sound? Too good to be true? Yeah, probably. By the way, look at this 5-minute on Tesla. Is that gonna be the play instead? Bro, look at it. If it bounces here, that's criminal. Like, it has to go down. I mean, the Bollingers are open for us. All right, I'm in there. Stop out if we get above the 9. I'm liking the movement I'm seeing. 200's right here. Yearly lows at 198, $2 under that. They close above the 9. Oh, that's close. Oh, it's just gonna surge. I'm not trying to stay in that, bro. Oh, well, that's only very annoying. What the... Oh, man. All right, so we wiped away the Tesla win. I mean, that's criminal. It doesn't do that on a candle under candle, especially on the 5-minute. Like, oh, now we get the breakout on BA. Actually, what did I say, guys? Do you remember me mentioning that 10 o'clock breakout? Now I'm really pissed because now I don't have enough to trade this. All right, I'm going to buy 1 BA here. Let's see if it actually wants to just surge up. I bought the 170s, and these are going up pretty aggressively. If I can get a sell out at 170, I'll take it off. I think my day's done, guys. Nice. All right, day's done. Let's see. $127. Funny to say, but really unfortunate. We should have walked away with like 200 something. I mean, I was calling out moves like crazy. I mean, like basically saying this was so criminal that like if it was to bounce up off of here, I could almost see it. Like it's so sinister that it could happen, and look what happened. And then the BA call out. I knew I should have just sticked to BA, even though I freaking never trade it, but I knew the setup was way better because I had a news catalyst. But then look, I saw on Tesla this absolute hammer, and I was like, there's no way we don't... I mean, we probably still might get the move, but I said after this candle we have to go down and hit 200 on a candle under a candle. I took it, stopped out, which sucks. Still a nice day. Catch you guys tomorrow. All right, fellas, back on Tuesday. Big gap up on the overall markets and everything else, except for our boy here. Let's see if we can find a trade. And we are open. So Tesla, I guess I'm weary about just for the fact that it's gapping down instead of up. But there are some setups to be had if this momentum continues, especially on NVIDIA. Let's see. I want to see NVIDIA tap 147.10. This big line. Hit ORB up and then hit this gap fill. Real nice right there. In there on NVIDIA. Looking for it to get above the MAs. Start this ORB higher. Quick stop out if we don't get above. Nice. Let's get that move up. The contracts, they got to start zipping here. All right, I'm going to sell 3 up here. Got 2 left. Start selling them individually. Okay, decent right there. We got the gap fill above. Let's go get it. Selling 1 more. It's not going. I want to be strong. Be strong. I don't like that. All right, quick 90 there. Pretty good. All right, new 5-minute just opened on Tesla. I don't know what the heck to think about this chart. I really don't. What's the candle under a candle? 188.61, so like about here. Now, when we got a candle under a candle last time, it effed us. Yeah, that would actually be really nice if you could just hold up a little bit here, Tesla, and then we see what's popping maybe in the next 5 minutes. Please don't go yet. Please don't go yet. Please don't go yet. Why is it surging so hard right now? No way. All right, next best thing is a break and a retest of that. So now that it did it, I need to see it close under here. Unless it could be a W, which in that case, I need to see a little bit of a lift up. And there it goes. Oh, look at that for a bounce. Unless it's trying to use that as resistance. Wait. This actually could be pretty good. I'm in there. I'm looking for Tesla to use that wick test as a resistance level and then move back down. Or if it gets back above it, that's wraps. Come on, test what you got. You want to do a break and retest or no? I gave it a little bit of room. That's pretty good. Okay. It's acting like it wants to do it. Oh, yikes. I'll stop out if we get above the 9. I'm liking the price action here. Like every push up, it gets hammered back down. And the IV's moving up again. That's pretty good. This thing has got to get some movement. Nice. Okay, so we close under on the new 5. That's pretty good. Do we get that surge down? Here it is. Let's not bounce here, though. Let's keep going. Oh, no. Oh. Gotta get out. Rip. Dude, Tesla's been really, really tough to trade. Okay, guys, the SPY might be able to provide us something. Great little bottom action here. I'm liking it. I'm going to buy 2 here. It is extended, but so is this move. So now looking for this perfect kind of curl up into the ORB here. See if we can break the highs. I mean, look at the volume also. I hope that's not cut off, but it's steady growing on every candle. New 5-minute just opened up. Maybe wants to see a wick test here. If we get under the 9, though, I'll probably get out because if we look back here, look where we're rejecting on the Qs. Now NVIDIA's trying to do a break and retest. I don't know. Okay. It's a big candle here and a big surge up. Well, let's go. Let's get this move. 2 minutes left in this 5. Would like to see it done on this one. Okay, new 1. This is the last minute in the 5. Do we get it here or no? This is kind of where I would like to see it. Here we go. Quick surge. I'm going to get ready to sell 1 on the break. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. And I'm out. What is that garbage? Well, we kind of knew that on second glance, like looking everywhere else in the market, it could reject, but worth a shot. Anyway, guys, it's my day done. Unfortunate, but $200 loss, so we are red on the week. Haven't heard that in a while. Oh, and also, actually, before I let you guys go, I might not be able to trade tomorrow, so I will either see you tomorrow or Thursday. Yeah, but okay. Trash day. I mean, fake outs left and right, but hey, that's the market for you. See you guys tomorrow or Thursday. All right, fellas, it is currently Thursday, November 10th. And as you could probably tell, my schedule did get a little messed up. So I actually didn't trade today. However, I did trade yesterday the 9th, even though I didn't think I would. But anyway, long story short, I had to be in a meeting, but I could still record my screen. So I did actually still trade. And another annoying piece of information is that I can't trade Friday either. So I'm sorry, guys. It's going to be a short video, but you guys will definitely enjoy the trades here. So yeah, here we are. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. I mean, you guys know this is not what I do full time. So we do have to deal with things that come up, but hey, maybe one day. Without further ado, though, let's get into the trades. All right, so as I said, this is Wednesday's trades, November 9th, and it was an unbelievable day. I wish I had my voice recording, but thank God we have this, so let's go on with it. And we are open. I always have to say that. But yeah, guys, so Tesla moving down was a really interesting play because we had this flag break. But as you can see, I'm flipping my charts and I look at Meta bouncing off that major pivot because as you can see, it did a big gap up, pull back, held the prior pivot as a support. And the same play that we did on Tesla a few weeks ago, we were going to play here on Meta. So as you can see, I changed my contracts to the Meta calls. As it was going from red to green, I bought 5 contracts, filled out 149. As you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of green here, starting to push that pre-market high. We make a new high, but it rejects immediately. Still above the MAs, though, still looking okay. Just seeing where I could scale out here, just in case it doesn't end up breaking the pre-market high. I believe I sell 3 pretty soon after. Or 2. Yeah, I switched it to 2 last second. So I sell 2, so I'm still in 3, securing a really nice profit. Still a decent hold on the 90 MA. I mean, this thing looks like it wants to go higher. And obviously we had the gap fill level here, which is that yellow line. So making a nice move. I joined the ask on 1, 2 left. 1 more, sell at 192. I want to see these things through 2 on the contracts. And as we're breaking, I mean, we're 2 minutes into the day. I'm basically saying to myself, that's a decent move, especially after the little rejection. I sell market there, and I'm up $175 just on that trade. As you can see, I'm excited there. So I guess we're just scouring the market here. Let's fast forward. I was looking at MSTR. I actually had a decent setup under the previous monthly low. Oh yeah, here we go. I remember this. So look at this surge here on Tesla. Let's fast forward a little bit here. We're getting above the MAs. I mean, this was a massive, massive candle. I saw Matt Diamond trade this too. Shout out to him. So now I'm just waiting for a good entry here. As you can see, candle over candle fail as of right now, but trying to reclaim those MAs. Let's fast forward here. Now it's going from red to green. I mean, this thing looks really bullish. And as we're marching higher, we're literally about to break the ORB. I get in there with 5 contracts. This line here, let me pause, was the pre-market low. And we actually did have a reaction there, which is great. So levels are working. So I nail it down to 2, I believe. Yep. And then I sell market as we're breaking that ORB, just in case we don't get the full move. But as you guys probably know, yeah, we did. This thing kept surging, getting through 190 into 191, selling 1 market there. Got 2 left. Waiting to see if this thing could get a move back into the pre-market price action. Started to hang up there, sold another, and I got 1 left here. I'm just looking to join the ask on this as it's breaking that level. I think I do it soon. Yeah, right there. And then boom, last sell at 655, I believe. And then just like that, up $350, guys. And by the way, 7 minutes into the market open. That is so sick. Like I said, guys, I wish I had my voice recording, but I mean, this is the next best thing. What a fire day. And then now I'm switching back to Meta. I believe that was also my 3rd and final trade. Looking for a little bit of a break and retest. Oh, okay, yeah, so this is it. As you can see, basically same thing here. Broke the prior pivot high, pulled back to it, got up higher, and then tried to hold its next higher pivot as support. Meta usually likes to adhere to decent price action, and I felt more comfortable taking this because Meta is more of like a trend kind of trader than a breakout trader. So yeah, I guess I kind of felt comfortable there, but I think pretty soon after this candle, I'm loading. I think I already had them loaded. So yeah, as we're seeing the hold of the previous pivot and we're trying to get back into that gap level, I get in 3 right at 200. Let's skip ahead here. Meta's making a nice move. I still have 3 currently, so I don't sell yet. I think I sell 1 here actually. I sell 1 there. I mean, decent pops, but you guys know me, taking profits quickly is the move. So I currently have 2 left. Bit of a wick down here, I remember that. But I mean, the ultimate stop loss was just a break of the new pivot, right? So we're holding it pretty beautifully here. As you can see, Bollinger starting to expand a little bit. I mean, we're above all the MAs, even on the 5 and the 1. As you can see, really nice move up here. I'm still in 2. I believe I sell 1 pretty soon. Yeah, so I sell 1 there. Okay, yeah, I'm noticing. I remember this. Look at the amount of open interest here at 234, like almost 1,000 contracts. I'm like, you know what? Just in case we don't make new highs, I'm just gonna take 1. And then I'm switching back to the monitor. At this point, we're up over $400, guys. I mean, I did not expect this whatsoever. And yeah, I couldn't believe it. But next thing I remember telling myself is keep this last one as long as it stays above the 9, and then just carry this all the way up. So yeah, Meta's making a nice move, just inching higher here. A bit of a move down, but still just marching, man. Strong candles. Looking to break intraday highs. I think I put a stop here at 250, it looks like. Yeah, so as we're breaking highs, I put a stop on the ladder at 250, which should get tapped on this one. And boom, out at 250, still surging, but that's fine. I was happy with the profits. And just like that, we finished the day up $440. And that's it, guys. I got a few things lined up for the channel, which I'm really excited about. But in the meantime, guys, hit the sub button, hit the like, drop me a comment. Let's get this video to 100 likes. And hopefully next week, it'll be a normal week where we can trade consistently. But anyway, guys, thanks so much. And I'll see you fellas next week. Take it easy.